Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change speakers in your Audi A3. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal kit, a Torx T25 screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your new speakers are the correct size, typically 6.5 inches, for a perfect fit. Always disconnect the car's negative battery terminal before beginning any electrical work to ensure your safety throughout the process. Now, let's remove the door panel. Begin by using your trim removal tool to carefully pry off the small plastic trim piece located behind the interior door handle. Once removed, you will find two Torx T25 screws. Unscrew both of these. Next, gently work your way around the entire perimeter of the door panel, prying to release the retaining clips. Finally, lift the panel upwards and disconnect all electrical connectors. After connecting your broker, the next step is to fund your account. Most brokers offer several funding options, including bank transfers, wire transfers, and e-wallets. Be aware that processing times can vary, with bank transfers typically taking 1 to 5 business days. Once your account is funded, you can place trades directly from your TradingView charts. The platform supports various order types, such as market orders for immediate execution, limit orders for specific prices, and stop-loss orders to manage risk. To finish up, carefully reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel. Align the panel with the door frame and firmly push around the edges to re-engage all the retaining clips. Reinstall the two Torx T25 screws behind the door handle and snap the small trim piece back into place. Finally, reconnect your car's battery and test your brand new speakers to enjoy improved sound quality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.